We got something. All right, folks, first fish of the day.
Feels like a flathead.
Is it?
Feels like it.
It is cold. 24 degrees this morning. It's a small one, but it's
the biggest one of the day.
It is the biggest one of the day, he says.
Channel?
Is that a channel?
Blue.
Nope.
Blue.
Little blue cat.
Gotta start somewhere.
Gotta start somewhere. Nice one. He's got a big old scar on the side of his face, doesn't he? Right underneath his chin. Look at that. Looks like he's been on a stringer or something.
Kids, that's why you don't dip snuff.
That's why you don't dip stuff. Right there. Little 8-pounder. Alright folks, so we only caught the one fish back there at the other creek mouth. So we're gonna move up here, and there's a creek up here, but there's some wood all the way up this ledge. As you guys can see, there's a nice little ledge ditch right here with wood scattered. And I'm just gonna ease up through here and see if we can see anything. Now that last fish we caught, we didn't see it, didn't mark anything, just fished brush, wood on that ledge right out from that creek mouth, and it's kind of what we're going to do here. We're just going to take a look at it. We got some stuff mixed in that wood. Keep on easing up through here. Now I've got some waypoints, as you guys can see, marked there. We've got one little fish right there. That's a little guy. I'm going to go all the way up to where the creek actually comes in and see if the old creek channel has bait in it or not. Got a bunch of wood out here. I'm kind of in a little bit. A little tree right there. Now, a lot of times these creek mouths will hold bait, especially this time of year. Hold bait, and other fish will come to them. There's a, see the ledge washout right here. We're in the old creek channel right now. And then as we get to right here, there should be a little dip. So it'll come up and it should drop off. So we got some bait real tight to the bottom. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to go back down here to this brush like we did that last one, set up on it, see if we can't catch any fish. All right, the bait that we're using today is just gizzard shad. You can see it. These are probably last fall's gizzard shad. We're just chunking them up in little pieces. We did catch a couple of these little quailback carp or quailback suckers, whatever they're called. We do the same thing with them. Just cut them up in little chunks. Nothing crazy. Now we do got some bigger gizzard shad like this, a few. I think we will cut a couple bigger pieces. Now I'm using the double hook Kentucky rigs mainly. I got 3 of those on, and I've got a regular slip rig. Most of the hooks that we're using are 8/0, but I do got a couple 5/0. Take and hook that little quailback right through the bottom lip, up through the nostril. Put this little gut pocket piece on. I'll hook it right through the guts there, like that. Make sure you get the scales off the tip. On this Carolina rig or slip rig, I'm gonna put this big old head, and I'm gonna do it the same way to the bottom jaw, right up to the nose. Got a little 5/0 hook with some gut pocket, and a frozen head. Well, you can't leave this stuff out here too long. Now that wood that we're fishing is about 70 feet behind us. And then it stretches on down through there on that ledge. So anywhere between 50 foot back and 70 foot back. It actually might be, Red. Well, that didn't take long, did it? We didn't mark nothing down through here. And Red's got one on, and I've got one tapping this side over here, and we ain't been here 5 minutes. Now, they're not very big fish, but something's better than nothing, ain't it, Red? That is a whannel cat, little baby.
Oh, it looks like your belly right there.
That does look like my belly, Red. Oh.
That might be a contender against mine.
We got whannel cats everywhere. We're in channel cat heaven, boys. It's 24 degrees or whatever it is, probably up to about 26 degrees now. And we're catching fish. He's trying. Oh, swing and a miss. We got a serious channel cat. Folks, we have come into a nest of whannel cats that are just furious. Well, if a man was eating, that'd be a good one, wouldn't it? Cold, clean. Red says he's calling it Little Blue. Nope, it's a whannel.
If we was hungry,
We'd be in it like Flynn, wouldn't we?
we wouldn't be hungry if we was hungry.
Red, I don't think I've caught this many channel cats in a long time. Red, we can't get away from these little channel cats today. Look at this. I got this fish lassoed, and he's hooked. He is hooked in the mouth. Look, he's got a hole right there in his. Look at that. Almost like a stringer. That's the second fish we've caught today. Got that hole. Oh goodness. Red, we was messing around. He sure, when I looked up there, he had the rod rolled over. I was actually getting ready to say we should leave. Biggest one of the day.
I ain't seen it yet.
He's probably, we got a teener. Yeah, pretty fish. Well, he covered in mud.
Probably why we ain't seen them things.
Nice. I don't think it's the one we marked back there, but nice fish. They're getting bigger. All right, folks, we have caught several fish, actually 7 to be exact, but we haven't really caught the size of fish that we've wanted. We've caught a lot of fish, but not the size. So we're not really marking fish, but we're just catching them down in some heavier cover. So we're gonna go look for the heaviest cover around here, around where we're fishing at right now, and we're gonna fish in it. It's some blowed up, it's like an old blowed up dam. It's got some wood in it as well. So we're gonna get set up on it. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the sonar. You guys can see that's old blowed up concrete. And we got a tree right there. And this is the rest of the old blowed up dam here. My plan is to go on the upper end of it and anchor and see if we catch anything, and then possibly move back down into here depending on what we catch at the front side of it. I'm just gonna take my time, and we're gonna anchor kind of right up here. What we got, Red? Nice little wintertime flathead, man. Gee whiz. Well, he's coming alive now, isn't he?
Wild.
Biggest fish of the day.
Is it?
16. Put him up there. Nice little fish, isn't it?
It is.
Good mud on that belly. There he goes. Hey, he's swimming, Red. Get unwrapped. There we go. There we go. And he didn't really hit too awful bad, did he?
No.
He's going.
There he is. Got him.
Nope. We got a little flathead. I want you to look at this. He's got hooks. He's got weights. That fish wasn't going nowhere. There's 3 hooks right there. Wow, what a mess. There we go. That's 3 flatheads for today. Heck yeah. Oh man. What? That's weight, buddy. Man, it might have been a blessing in disguise not to be able to fish that spot up there. You know, for a 45 to 50 degree water temperature, these fish have been eating hard. Another flathead. Whoa. Dang, son. Another nice fish. I mean, healthy. Look how clean he looks. Heck yeah. We should have weighed that. I think it's another flathead, to be honest with you. Oh, he's a little bit too big to... Come here, buddy. We'll take him. That's that 13. 13. All right, so there you go, folks. I absolutely, truly enjoyed this day. I didn't want to go fishing this morning, but we got up and we went anyway. It was brutally cold, but thankfully we had the enclosure up on the boat. Stayed nice and toasty warm, and just honestly had a really good time. Didn't catch the monsters that we was after, but we caught some good quality fish. Caught a lot of fish, shared some memories, and had some laughs. That's all that matters. Folks, thank you guys for watching. If you want to support the channel, hit that like and subscribe and share the video out if you can. And as always, God loves you. I love you. We'll catch you on the water. Thanks for watching.